Whether you've just discovered Asterisk today or known about it for years, there are probably real-world applications using Asterisk that you've never considered. We'll introduce several of the most common practical uses for Asterisk in this module. The most obvious use of Asterisk is as a traditional PBX. In conjunction with Digium's DoTi interface cards, Asterisk can connect to the public telephone network. Digium offers cards that can connect to analog phones, analog lines, BRIs, and T1s and E1s, including ISDN PRIs. Asterisk is well equipped to provide all the features typical in a PBX, including voicemail, conferencing, and a host of other call services. This is a well-understood use of Asterisk, so we won't spend much time describing its use here. Most of the rest of the course will prepare you to configure Asterisk yourself. Using Voice over IP, Asterisk can serve as a complete IP PBX without any need to directly connect to a local telco. VoIP phones can be used as user endpoints, and VoIP trunks to Internet telephony service providers can provide the interface to the public telephone network. For additional flexibility, analog terminal adapters, or ATAs, can bridge the analog handsets for the rest of the VoIP network. And there are software-only telephones called soft phones that can eliminate the need for a traditional telephone. Soft phones come in a wide range of features and price. There are numerous open source and free soft phones on the market today. When Asterisk is used as a VoIP-only PBX, no special hardware is needed to run your phone system. Asterisk is run on a commodity Linux PC, and all calls are carried over IP, typically by Ethernet. All of this means that the cost of entry and the total cost of ownership for an Asterisk-based voice over IP system are remarkably low. The last two slides showed Asterisk being used as a traditional PBX and as an IP-only PBX. It's also quite common to see Asterisk deployed in a way that combines both of these two uses. Asterisk as a hybrid PBX can bridge calls between traditional and IP phone technologies seamlessly. This is where much of Asterisk's flexibility comes from. If the time isn't yet right to replace an existing PBX with Asterisk, there still might be a way for Asterisk to improve flexibility or reduce costs in a legacy PBX setting. Here we have phones connected to legacy PBXs in two locations across the world from each other. Each PBX also connects to the local public telephone network. Calls between the two offices must use the connections each PBX has to the public telephone network. This can be costly and the quality may be low. Asterisk can help in a situation like this by connecting to each PBX using traditional telephony such as an analog line or T1 or E1. Then, the Asterisk servers can route the calls between the two offices over the internet where there are no toll charges. Bandwidth and access costs apply, but these are often significantly less than typical toll charges. Some legacy PBXs have limited capabilities when it comes to call features such as voicemail and conferencing. There might be size constraints on voicemail boxes or limitations on the number of conference rooms or participants in each room. Depending on the PBX in use, these constraints may be expensive or even impossible to overcome. This is another opportunity where Asterisk can shine. An Asterisk system connected to the legacy PBX can be configured to handle only incoming calls and only for a specific feature. So the legacy PBX would be set up to transfer all calls to Asterisk to record or to listen to voicemail. Or the extension on the legacy PBX that was previously used for conferencing could now instead forward to Asterisk. Asterisk would provide the conferencing service. A final popular use of Asterisk is in a call center environment. Asterisk has a robust queuing implementation which can handle dozens of queues with hundreds of simultaneous callers. Also offered are waits, penalties, and several different ring strategies. Customized hold music and announcements are easy to set up, and calls can be automatically recorded. Asterisk is used as a call center frequently enough, and there are so many different options and settings related to Asterisk's queuing system that we've devoted an entire chapter to it in this course. So you'll get plenty of details on how to use Asterisk's queues before you've completed this training. This short module demonstrated several of the more common environments in which Asterisk is used. You may have realized before this module that Asterisk is capable of much more than a typical PBX, but even if you didn't, you certainly should now. And we still touched on only a few of the most common applications where Asterisk performs well. Remember that Asterisk is an open source telephony platform, not just a single-purpose tool. Asterisk can handle any and all of the applications described in this module and can also handle dozens of other communications challenges. In contrast, many typical legacy PBX systems can't offer nearly the same range of functionality we've surveyed in this module. And many of these more limited systems still charge extra for the features that are completely free in Asterisk. This concludes our Asterisk overview chapter. Thanks for sticking with us while we got some of the basics covered. Now we'll dig in on the technical content of the course. We'll start by looking at how to download and install Asterisk. Here we go.